What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So first off, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That way you can join the team and click the bell so you never miss a video. So if you've been watching my previous videos, I did a transmission conversion in this Buick Rendezvous, and I went from all-wheel drive to just front-wheel drive. So after I got it in and everything, I realized that the shift points from the computer set the wrong RPMs, and it's not shifting until like 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs. So my options was to reprogram it or just swap the ECM. So I went and picked one up at a junkyard today. So that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you how to switch out the ECM. So to do that, it is on top of the air box here. So we have to remove the cooler jug here and this bar, which has two 10mm bolts and then a 13mm bolt back here. And then I should be able to just lift that out of the way. And then there's a cover over the computer here, and it has two 10mm bolts here. And then you just unbolt the harness and switch them up. So let's get started. Alright guys, so couldn't get to that bolt where it's so rusted, but I was able to pull this bar over, and then this jug just, as he snaps, or they snap on that bar, so I just pulled that off. So now I can get to it. Now I just gotta get these two bolts, and then we'll be there. Alright, got the cover off, and there she is. So now we just gotta unhook these harnesses, but before you do that, you need to unhook the battery cable. That way there's no power to it, which I have already done, and I have it on the charger because I have a dead battery. But make sure you unhook the battery first. And now we just got to unbolt these and then bolt in the new one. and these are 7mm. Alright guys, so it's out. One thing you notice, it has rubber sills, keep the weather out, rain and stuff. So the one I got doesn't have them. I got to put those over on it. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll put it in. Alright guys, so now I got it bolted back in. I got the bar bolted back on. I gotta put this over here. See, it's just got these tabs that clip on. Probably could be a little pain though, trying to get it perfect. Just like that. So now everything's done, bolted back. Now I just gotta hook the battery back up, and then you have to do the key relearn, the PASSKEY 3, which we'll just cover that. So I'm gonna hook the battery back up and then I'll see you inside. Alright guys, so I got the battery hooked up. Everything outside is done. So now I'm sitting in the car, which I'm kind of glad. It started raining, so. But now we gotta do the key relearn process. So what you gotta do is put the key in, turn it to the on position, and a security light will either light up or blink. And you have to leave it in the on position for like 15 minutes. Sometimes it's a little less. And the light will shut off. When the light shuts off, you turn it to the off position for like 30 seconds. And then turn it back to the on position. And then the light will turn on again. So you repeat that step 3 times. So it's like 45 minutes. Which I think it's less than that. I think it's only like 10 to 12 minutes. But anyways, you do the process 3 times, and then on the 3rd time after you shut it off, you turn it back on, you start the car up, and then it'll relearn the transponder. So I got a timer on the phone here. Let's see what it does. Alright, put it in the key in. We have lots of lights. Says security, so start the timer now. So now we sit here and we wait until the security light turns off. So I'll bring you back right before it does. I think that was it, guys. It's not switching no more. So turn it off, wait 30 seconds. It's a very long 30 seconds. Alright, do it again. See it? Now it's flashing. So now we wait another, that was probably about 10 minutes. So I'll bring you back. Alright guys, it has stopped. You see, no more flashing. So turn the switch back off for 30 seconds. Alright, turn it back on. And this should be the last time, the 3rd time. So I'll bring you back in about 10 minutes. Alright, so now it's not flashing no more, so we shut it back off. Wait 30 seconds. Alright, now we start it. No security light. Now it's time for a test drive. Alright guys, so that's that. And now we're shifting at like 3,000 RPM, somewhere around in there, which is what I wanted. So it seems everything's in order. Just gotta give her a tune-up and stuff now. But if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button. And like I said, click that bell so you never miss a video. And I will see you next time. Bye.